morning, dear friends. Once again, I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. Dear friends, this is the episode number 29. This will be on the human layers. This is under the concept series for the world, part 4. Dear friends, it is our legal disclaimer. Kindly read it once if you haven't read it any time. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes and the playlist on the Corona or the COVID-19 series, and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefits. Dear friends, welcome in the concept series, welcome in a new world. These are the summary of the concept on which we have discussed in our previous episodes. In the episode number 27, you have understand about the three concepts, and in the episode number 28, which was our last episode, some of the concepts were discussed, and the concept number 4 was take the 100% responsibility for our work, our life, and our existence. Others will take care of themselves. Only think about yourself. Take the 100% responsibility for our own work, for our own life, and our own existence. The concept number 5 is provide right of living to all the planet earth creatures, including animals, trees, and the environment. Dear friends, they are also the stakeholder of our planet earth. That's why they have right to live peacefully on this particular earth. We should not feel them just like a food. The animals have right to be in the planet earth. The trees have right to be on the planet earth. And we as a human, as a guardian, as a bigger stakeholder, we have to take care of them. The concept 6 was law of cause and effect is inevitable. Whatever is the country, whether you are from the Australia or America or from the Europe or from the Russia or from the Japan or from the Israel, the law of cause and effect is inevitable, was inevitable, and will inevitable. Speed may vary for the effect. If you will do the cause, if you will do the action, 101% you will face some reaction or the effect. The concept number 7 is be the change which you want to see in the world. First be capable, then only ability to help will come in you. A poor person cannot help a richer person. Similarly, first be capable, then only we will able to help others. So dear friends, now we will discuss the self or the human layers. You have seen any of the onion. The onion is a layered existence. Similarly, the trees. In every year, one circle of the tree is getting broader and broader. And you can easily see in the tree. If we cut the tree, then we can determine the age of the tree. Like it may be of the 100 or 50 years old tree. This means the nature is creating many things in the layered manner, just like the onion, just like the tree which we have shown. Similarly, the human existence is also layered one. Layer are there in our existence, and whatever is in the cosmos or the universe is in the human. We can affect the universe, the cosmos, the others, and the others can affect me very effectively. And only the quantity and the quality is different. This means the animal have some quantity or the quality. I am the bigger stakeholder of the planet Earth. I have some bigger or better or inferior quantity and the quality of the energy may be there, or the purity of the energy may be there. That's why Basically, it is a concept of the Hinduism. Yatha pinde tatha brahmande. Whatever is inside the body, it it is available in the universe or the cosmos. Hence, all the creatures are affecting each other. I may affect you, my surrounding, nature up to any extent. Similarly, other peoples like you, my surrounding, and the nature can affect me up to any extent. If my environment is very good, I will feel very good. If my environment is very shabby or the not good, not unhealthy, then it will be effect on myself, and you can easily take the experience of that. So dear friends, all the humans are equipped with one human body, which you are saying, one mind, one heart, one soul. What is the meaning of the soul? Something transparent type of the material, or the vacuum type of the material, or the no material, as per the philosophy. We will discuss in the after some of the episodes. These are very, very, very precious for our life. This is the infinity opportunity, infinity possibilities are there, and as per the Hinduism, as per the Hindu religion, the probability is such a precious that 1 by 8.4 million possibilities. There are the mainly 8.4 million type of the possibilities of the creatures are there, just like the dog, cat, parrot, anything. But most it is broadly divided into the 8.4 million uh, uh, creature possibilities, and human is only one of them. That's why it is very, very, very precious. That's why we have to take care of our human life, of our human existence, and we have to have learned about its functionality, so that we can reap the crop, we can harness the opportunities, we can develop ourselves, so that we can develop, our environment can develop, and we can contribute for the planet Earth. And dear friends, it is our generation which is poor and the sad generation, but still God is not biased with us, and we have the precious human body and the precious human existence. This is the particular time which is called as a Kali Yuga of the Hinduism, or the dark energy age. Basically, the satanic energy or the blackish energy or impurity in the human existence is very much here. That's why 7 deadly sins are blooming at the full speed and the full spread. Where the sin has been spread, and we have to take care. First, we have to understand our human existence, so that we can differentiate in between the good or bad, and then whatever is good for me, I have to choose that for my own benefit. Dear friends, the body, human body, is the bridge from the minus infinity to plus infinity in the universe. I can go from the heaven to hell by this particular body. Repeating, I can go to the heaven till hell from this body. Wherever you go, it is completely your choice, your own freedom of the will, your own free will, which has been gifted by the Creator or by God. And up to what extent we have to go, whether we want to go till superhumans, or till deity, or till Greek gods, or to our Creator. This is completely depend on our choice, on our freedom of the will. That's why we have to take wise decisions where I want to go. And the cause and the effect is inevitable. I am the 100% responsible. I have to face the consequences for my own action, for my own results. The Jesus is waiting for us in the heaven. The Satan or the demon or the Lucifer is waiting for us in the hell. Where we want to go, it is completely the choice of the individual. So dear friends, now let us peel the onion, let us peel the human existence which is in the laid manner, but without weeping, with laugh, with cheerful manner. So dear friends, human layers as per the science, as per the allopathy or as per the today's medical science, it is dealing with the body only. It is limited to the body only, which is visible only. Whatever is visible like the limbs, organs, the allopathy is dealing with that only. It do not have so much gravity or so much deepness in it, so that it can cure the inner dimension of our human existence. Although medical science of today is very, very powerful and useful science, and I bow to you, I salute to it. Dear friends, we will discuss in the detail in the human body episode, which are coming episodes of our concept series. Dear friends, we have seen the human layers as per the science, only visible one. But what about the spirituality? And we all are discussing the spiritual science. That's why let us discuss the human layers as per the spirituality. As per the spirituality, we have the one body, one mind, one heart, one soul, that is the transparent or the vacuum type of the material. As per the Buddhism, we can say mind or the body organization or the six sense gates or the Shadayatan concept of the Buddhism. But I will not bore you or do the more complexity in front of you. Mainly it is the body which you are seeing with the full of the organs, mind, heart and a soul which is not visible. Okay, and we will discuss it one by one. And as per the spirituality, it is not limited to body only. It includes the visible body and the invisible layers also, which I am saying like the heart, mind and the soul. It is not visible clearly, but we will discuss in the spiritual science. Although you can see the brain, agreed, but you are not able to see the thoughts. That's why I am saying invisible. You are seeing the heart as a organ, but you are not able to see the emotions coming out from the heart. That's why I am saying these are the inner dimension or the invisible layers. And this is the most powerful and the useful science ever, that is the spiritual science which we are discussing. And it has very much deep knowledge, and by understanding it we can able to learn the human existence, and by it we can reach our own existence. Dear friends, in nutshell, our human body, if I am saying it like the L1, this is the layer 1, human body in the totality. After that, the L3, I am saying the brain as a layer 3, which is more deeper layer. After that, the L6 or the layer 6, that is the heart, full of the emotions. And after that, the L7 or the layer 7, which is the innermost layer of our existence, and that is just like the vacuum, just like the no material, completely zero. And it is our own existence, like the L1, L3, L6 and L7. Okay, and I am referring complete materialistic thing. Repeating, I am referring complete materialistic thing as the L0 or the layer 0, whichever is outside our body. I am saying it as a L0 or the layer 0, like the gold, silver, your electronics, this laptop, this webcam, anything whichever is outside our body, that is L0 or the layer 0. Mainly the material are said like the L0 or the layer 0. The L1 is our own human body, L3 is our own human mind, L6 is our own human heart, and the L7 is our own soul or the existence. And I have discussed about myself or the self. And the other person have the same thing, same system, same existence of the L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6 and layer 7. He will take care of himself, I have to take care of myself. So dear friends, in nutshell, L0 the layer 0, any material outside our body, layer 1 our own body, human body, layer 3 our human mind or the brain, layer 6 our heart, and the layer 7 our soul, which is a transparent or the vacuum type material or the no material as per the philosophy. So dear friends, now you can easily say, what do you want to say? Exactly. And now dear friends, we will refer the Albert Einstein. The Albert Einstein has told one thing: if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. But dear friends, as we have learned in the philosophy or the physics or the chemistry, nothing is easy. First, you have to understand it with the wholeheartedly. Then only the deeper concept will we are able to understand it. That's why kindly refer the spiritual science which we are discussing. It may be something boring in the initial episodes, but it will be a boon for you. And I have showed you in the Corona series that yes, these tricks are working. The medical science or the allopathy do not have a permanent cure for the Corona or the COVID-19. That's why, but the spiritual science has the cure. That's why dear friends, now kindly refer the Corona series so that you can get rid of the Corona. Then build some understanding of the concept. Then we will apply it in the application series. So dear friends, simple explanation versus complex explanation of the simple things. The human existence is very complex. We are just trying to explain it very simply. Or that's why we are just concentrating on the layer L0, L1, L3, L6 and L7 only, and skipping layer 2, layer 4 and layer 5. Although all the layers are in the sequence, but I want to put the complex things in a very simple and a lucid manner in front of all of the world, so that whether you are from the Africa or from the Cambodia or from the Nepal, you can able to understand it. That's why we will refer the important thing or the concentrate for the important things only. So these are the important things: L0 materialistic layer, L1 human body, L3 human brain, L6 human heart and the L7 human soul. And dear friends, what is the need to explain the very beautiful concepts in the simple manner? Although your holy text like the Torah, Srimad Bhagavad Gita of the Hindu religion, Holy Quran, Holy Bible, Old Testament, New Testament, there are the many holy books are there in the world. Then what is the need for me to explain it? So dear friends, this is for the common people, by a common people. Believe me, it is just like we need the priest or the rabbi or the momin's explanation for the spiritual concept to understand better the holy books. Although the original holy books are available in particular languages like Srimad Bhagavad Gita in the Sanskrit, Torah in the Hebrew, Bible in the Hebrew and the English, so that's and the Latin. That's why dear friends, we need simple things to understand the holy sacred text. That's why it is my role also, so that we can learn the deepest spiritual concept which are clearly mentioned in the Bible, in the Quran, in the Torah, in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, in the Guru Granth Sahib, in a very simple manner, in the very simple and the lucid manner. And I will try to prove that all the religions are saying only one thing, and we have to get benefited the fruit of every religion, so that we can combine it and use it for our own existence, for our own life. So dear friends, Jesus Christ has said one thing: you know everything better if you do. And this is the difference in between knowing and doing. This is the difference in between the Messiah and the Lucifer. This is the difference in between a good person and a bad person. This is the difference in between a godly person and a satanic person. Dear friends, we have to have bow to our Creator. We have to have bow to our sacred text, but without harming to the other persons, without harming to the other human existence, without harming to the animal, and without harming to nature earth. So dear friends, decision is completely of yours, whether you want to go in the Messiah path or whether you want to go in the Lucifer path. The Lucifer was not obeyed to the Creator, and the Messiah has obeyed, was obeyed, and will obey to the Creator, to the God. So dear friends, this is the difference. An individual person, individual human is to take care of his own path. And dear friends, as we have said many times, we want to bring the Eden Garden on this earth, so that this particular planet earth can be worth living. So dear friends, now we do not have to eat the apple and get kicked off from the Eden Garden. We have to remove our apple, remove our ego, so that we can go to the godly path and go once again to the Eden Garden, and can able to bring the Eden Garden or the utopian things on in our planet earth. So dear friends, these are the spiritual science concept to bring the Eden Garden on planet earth, to bring the Eden Garden in our own life, to bring the utopia in our own life, so that our planet earth, our beautiful planet earth, can be worth living. Dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. Concept series episodes for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and the negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden. The Eden Garden of the people, by the people, and for the people. Dear friends, let's go together. This time the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic, and we will touch the ground once again, just like the Noah. And I am 100% sure, and I have responsibility, so that you can also be the sure. It is the complete choice to follow the deity or the positive or the white or the godly energy versus demonic or the negative or the black or the satanic energy. It is completely your own choice. Dear friends, if there are any kind of the questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions or critics are there, that can be sent at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago, or you may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. I am always open for you, dear friends. Kindly feel free to write me anytime, any moment, any question, any dimension of our mankind. Dear friends, thank you very much for watching. Happy times and good day. Dear friends, I, Praful Dabi, bow to you.